Hello coders. Today we will talk about the very basic thing you need to know if you are going to be medical coder or if you are CPC aspirants. Medical terminology is essential for medical coders to accurately assign codes to diagnoses, procedures, and services. Understanding medical terminology helps coders decipher medical records, communicate effectively with healthcare professionals, and ensure accurate coding. Anatomy is the study of the structure of the human body. Medical coders need a basic understanding of anatomy to interpret medical terms, identify anatomical landmarks, and comprehend the relationships between body systems and organs. Learn common prefixes, suffixes, and root words used in medical terminology. Familiarize yourself with terms related to body systems, organs, diseases, procedures, and medical specialties. Utilize textbooks, online courses, medical dictionaries, and anatomy atlases to study medical terminology and anatomy. Practice quizzes, flashcards, and interactive anatomy tools can also aid in learning. From the last videos we have started discussing basics of medical coding in preparing for CPC exam. Please check out our upcoming videos, like them and share with CPC aspirants. Till then, thank you and happy coding.